Today, we're learning about the Chakor bird and how traditional trapping methods have historically been used for observation and study, not harm. The chakor is a ground-dwelling bird known for its alert nature, quick movement, and strong connection to open landscapes and dry grasslands. Because of these traits, it has often been studied to understand how birds adapt to their surroundings and respond to environmental changes. In some regions, simple bird traps were traditionally used as a way to observe behavior, such as walking patterns, feeding habits, and reaction to sound or movement. From an educational point of view, these methods helped people learn patience, timing, and the importance of understanding wildlife behavior rather than acting against it. This video focuses on awareness and learning only. Any form of trapping should always be non-injurious, temporary, and done with respect for the bird's safety and freedom. Birds should never be harmed, stressed, or removed from their natural environment. Observation leads to respect, and respect leads to conservation. This content is created to promote wildlife education, ethical awareness, and a deeper connection with nature. Protecting birds means protecting the environment we all depend on. Thank you for watching, and remember, learning about nature always starts with respect.